All right, y'all. Here we go once again, YouTube. Another breakfast from my lovely fiance. Just look at it this time, y'all. Isn't it nice, beautiful? It's just pretty. I don't even want to eat it. So, what all did you do to it, babe? I mean, what is this? What is this called? No, for real. What is it called? Cause it looks too pretty.
I don't know.
You don't know. What is it? For real, babe.
It's just breakfast
It's a
sandwich.
breakfast sandwich. Yeah, but what kind of? What I see on here? I see.
It's English muffins, tomatoes, bacon, eggs, and a little provolone.
Do y'all hear that? She talks so low and sweet that you can't hardly hear it. But she said good. No, that's not good. They need to hear what it is. These women need to they need to know so they can fix it for their man. You know what I'm saying? Maybe they fiance. Ain't that right? Y'all look at her. She just laying in bed all
Don't
nice and
even.
cute. Look.
Don't even.
Look, she just don't want. She knows she look good, but she don't want to show her face. Ain't that something? But she does show this food, don't she? Y'all, now is the moment of truth. I'm about to see how it tastes. Here we go.
Oh yeah, it's turkey bacon.
Mm. Oh yeah. All right. Another breakfast of champions, y'all.